Hey lovely people, it's me Jessica Hicks, and today I'm going to be talking about my YouTube channel and specifically how much money I was able to make on YouTube with being monetized on YouTube for 6 months. So if you're someone that wants to get monetized on YouTube or just wondering about how much a smaller YouTuber might make after you're monetized, then you'll want to check out this video. If you're a bigger YouTube channel and you're just interested to see if a smaller YouTuber can make money and how much they make, this can be for you too. So I'm going to jump into it. So looking at my YouTube analytics, I can see my views, my watch time, my subscriber count, and my revenue. And it shows us your estimated revenue. So it could be more than this, but most likely it's going to be this number. And what I did was I looked at the last 365 days, so the past year, just because I was monetized in the summer of 2021. It was right around my birthday. My birthday is May 31st. So it either happened right before I think it happened right before my birthday. So I just set it to the year just so I can look at everything. So jumping into it, how much money did I actually make this year with 6 months of monetization? So I made $819.66. So in 6 months, $819 roughly, or you could round it up to $820. So that's how much money I made 6 months. Now my subscriber count, I'm just under 2,000 subscribers right now. So I'm a small YouTuber. So if you think that as a small YouTuber, you can't make any money, you can, you definitely can. And I'm sure there are people that make more than that, even as a smaller channel with less than 10,000 subscribers or less than 50,000 subscribers, whatever you deem as a smaller YouTube channel. I also want to highlight that that revenue came from a mix of AdSense revenue from those ads that play on videos, also super chatters. Shout out to King of Kill and Percy and Real Brother. Those are some of my first super chatters and some of my more regular super chatters. And if you did super chat my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. If I didn't highlight you by name. Also, some of the revenue came through Cash App as well. That's not shown on here. That's not highlighted in my estimated amount, but I know I did receive some Cash Apps. Lastly, I want to talk about memberships. I actually gained 10 members during the last 6 months of my monetization. So thank you to all of my members. Thank you to everyone that has joined and shown support that way. Now, what are some of my other analytics? So jumping in here, I did get 85,000 views in the past year. And a lot of the views I think came from this video right here. I got a lot of backlash, negative comments, some good comments, a mix of just everything from this video. It got me 22,000 views, and about I would say half of the revenue came from this video. So that was interesting, and it was just off of a whim. It was just a highly searched topic. I happened to go live and talked about it and reference a very high traction video. And so there you go. There you have it. So that one, and then a couple of other videos I might highlight in here also did well and garnered more revenue for me. I also just want to highlight that your revenue may not just come from AdSense. So again, a chunk of my revenue came from memberships. Now I did lose I did lose 2 members, but overall, like the memberships, they really do show that folks are supporting you, and it really helps. Like for us YouTubers and content creators, it helps to see that people are supportive in some way, whether you're joining a membership, whether you're super chatting, doing things like that is so appreciated. So thank you, thank you, thank you for that. And also, because I know everyone's not going to be able to super chat on all these videos or become a member each month, but even like leaving a like and leaving comments, like thank you to everyone that has left me comments and hit the like button on my video. It really does show that you're interested, that you're finding value, that you're supportive, and it really keeps me going. I know a lot of other YouTubers probably feel the same way, that the likes and the comments, they really do help you feel motivated. It helps me really push out the videos, because just like anything else, you wonder, are you doing this well? Are people liking this video? Do you want something different? Like, all of these different things definitely go through my mind. So leaving comments, leaving likes, leaving super chats, supporting through memberships, all of that really does help to show that you're engaged and that you're supportive of the channel and keeps folks wanting to do more. So thank you again for that. Now, to close it out, the views were 85,000. I did have 7,000 watch hours. Well, actually 7,600 watch hours. And then I did gain 1,000 subscribers in the past year. So that, I'm sure, helped with the estimated revenue as well. So the other thing I did, something that I never thought about, but I did get revenue from YouTube Red or YouTube Premium members too. So if someone watches with that premium account, you actually do get revenue from that as well. So there's multiple ways that you can get revenue. Even if you're a small YouTuber, I hope this video serves to give a little more insight. I literally thought I was gonna maybe make $5 a month or something off of the videos. I really didn't think I would make much. I did not think I would receive super chats. I did not think I would really receive any memberships. I actually delayed starting the memberships just because I was like, who wants to join a membership? Like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna provide for you? And I didn't think of it as just showing your support to someone, and the fact that people may want more insight, may want more content from you, may want more posts from you and polls and things like that. So I didn't think of it that way. So once you become monetized, there's other avenues that you can use. I know some people will provide links for their stores and their businesses. So there's so many different possibilities. So even if you are a smaller channel, don't just think that, oh, no one's going to want to join my membership. Just put it out there and see what happens. I was surprised to get, I have 10 members going strong with me. So thank you to my members. Shout out to you. Definitely leave me a comment on this video. Would love to highlight you all. But yeah, I didn't expect that. And then also, again, super chatting, I didn't expect that either. I really only thought that bigger YouTube channels were the ones that got a lot of support from super chats. Now, I don't get super chats in all of my lives, but I have gotten some during my last 6 months of monetization. So all that to say, you may get income from different avenues. You may even get Cash App. So even share your Cash App information or Venmo or PayPal, whatever you use on your videos, because shout out to Real Brother. He is the one that told me to share my Cash App and had gifted me something. So I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And you just never know. So with that, that is the video. So I made a little over $800 in 6 months of monetization as a small YouTube channel. So I hope that serves as some insight for anyone that thinks they're not going to make anything, kind of like what I was thinking before. And then for the person that thinks they're just going to be balling out of control from YouTube once they get monetized, it's probably not going to happen unless you have a ton of subscribers, but it could. So you just never know. Keep going. Hopefully this motivates you or just serves as an educational video for anyone that has just been wondering, well, how much can you make on YouTube as a pretty small channel? Well, there you have it. So I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did like the video, leave me a like and a comment. Share with someone if you think they're interested or if they're going to be a YouTuber or something too. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovely people.